What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Manny, in the building with another video. That's right. I think this is video number 5 on my YouTube channel. Shout out to everyone that has been liking it, commenting it. You know, it's you know, I'm feeling the love. I'm feeling the love. Listen, I'm in Mississauga right now. Well, in my friend's car, but I'm in Mississauga right now supporting my guys, GC Jerk Express. That's right. They just opened a location in Mississauga. I think it's their second location. So their food is fire. I decided to get some food. Shout out to GC Jerk Express. All the love to me. Congrats on the second location. You know, support black business. This is a black owned business. They had a first location. Now they have a second location. They also have a food truck. So if you see them anywhere in the city, check them out. Check out their food. Look, I just got some food. Let's check it out. So they graciously gave me a Oxtail Poutine. Oxtail Supreme Poutine. Look at this. We got some oxtail. We got some fries, lettuce, tomato. So the usual Supreme fry Supreme. But this has oxtail in it. My gosh, I did not know that existed. So yo, I'm about to chomp this in. Yo, let's get to it. All right. Look at this. I might be messy. Let's check this out. Oh yes, I will have the links below in the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, even subscribe. Subscribe. So far, I have 55 subscribers. Yo, shout out to everyone that subscribed. Shout out to everyone that has supported me while I'm doing this. You know, it's the pandemic. Yeah, even better. Better lighting. Anyways, let's take in this poutine. I'm gonna take in the veggies first because the fries and the oxtail is all the way in the bottom. Final fry. Oh, found the oxtail. Look at that. Look at that oxtail. Where can you find oxtail like this? And it's steaming hot. Pull up a bit. There we go. So good. Can't go wrong with the oxtail now. Messy eater here. So good. Oh my God. This is way too good to be true. Wow. So good. So good. Look at this oxtail. Like, yo, they're not stingy on the oxtail. We know some Caribbean joints, especially in the GTA, they're stingy on oxtail. Wow. That's all I gotta say, man. This oxtail with the fries and the fried supreme, like, I'm almost done. Hands down, you can't go wrong with the Oxtail Poutine. Oh my God. Shout out. Whew. Shout out to GC Jerk Express. They just opened a second location in Mississauga. I do recommend this place. I think this is the first time I've said that. You know, I do recommend this joint. Oh, they're also on Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Skip the Dishes. So, if you can't make it in Mississauga, you can get it on Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Skip the Dishes. Oh my God. So good. So good. Look at that. Look at the meat. Look at that. Can't go wrong with it. So good. Look at that. I don't want to spill. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Wow. I think this is going to be the first video that I've actually finished the whole thing. I know in previous videos, I've never finished it at all because it was so big. But this one, let's turn on the light because it's getting darker. So good. Oh my God. So good. They have some good oxtail. Woo! Let me know in the comments below what's the next thing I should go try out? Uh-oh. There's a possibility that this plate might be empty. All in under 15 minutes. Oh my gosh. I think this is going to be the first time. Boom! Empty plate in less than 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, I think this is a record. This is how you know it's super good. Holy moly. Wow. Oh, wow, look at that. Empty plate. First time ever that I had an empty plate in the history. Well, not history, but this is the 5th video. But oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. Definitely recommend this place. Wow. Wow. I might just have to go for seconds because it's that good. So, yep. That's it. Shout out to GC Jerk Express. That's in Mississauga. They're available on DoorDash, Skip the Dishes, Uber Eats. Support black. This is a black-owned business, so support black businesses. Wow, excuse me. Wow. Yes. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Excuse me. But yes, yo, shout out to GC Jerk Express. I definitely recommend them to check them out. Get the Oxtail Poutine. Wow. That's all I got to say. Anyways, I will see you guys next week. Don't forget to follow my social media pages. And yeah, we'll see what happens what I eat next week. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.